Let us run this trade analysis idea I've been doing since Friday till now. So, all right. So let's first of all let's look at structure. You can see we're clearly on an uptrend because market is trending up, and we're clearly on an uptrend. So we mark out our point of interest, which is I mark this point out, and then I mark this point out on 15 minutes. This places a whole full candle bond. 1 hour is showing a gap, which means we all liquidate the gap, and then the the little other block down here. So now let's happen between last week Friday and today. If you come to 15 minutes now, if you come to 15 minutes, what happened last week Friday on 15 minutes? You see, if you know the strategy, we get market moves so clear. So when market got to our point of interest, the first point of interest, it gave us the first reaction, came back again, and then give another reaction. But what happens is that market started getting liquidity equal. You can see equal lows by here. So I don't trust this setup anymore. So I said this is our liquidity that is here and it's trapping us. So markets came to this point, take everybody out. You can see liquidated everybody. Now I have my first shift and then mark this point on the lower time frame. I mark this point as my smart money trap. Yeah, as my smart money trap, because I always wait for smart money trap of the day first. Smart money trap of the day is always very important to me. Very, very important. So the smart money trap of the day, I waited for it to be liquidated. Yes, no, there was no liquidation even after New York session. Even throughout the whole day, there was no liquidation of the smart money trap. And when the smart money trap liquidation was about to start, you can see here it started taking out the stop losses of all the traders. You can see, and from there, there was never a change in character, the movement of the market. The market continued the downward movement on Friday. Now, today being Monday, on Monday opening, you can see the market started moving downward. Continue the downward movement to our what second point of its interest, or what we call the extreme point of interest. Now the market is there. Now what happened here again today when this thing created the first move, I was waiting for the liquidation of smart money traders again, because smart money traders is what I look for in a day, not in a setup, in a particular day. I look for smart money trap for that day, or liquidation for that day. Sometimes it may not be in smart money trap, sometimes it could be trend line traders trap, sometimes it could be support and resistance trap. You understand? So, but smart money trap is the most common because there are more smart money traders out there now. So now we wait for the first change of character, which is the first market shifts happen around here, and then I know this place will be our smart money trade, our smart money trap zone. Why? Because we've not liquidated Asia, and also we've not liquidated the smart money traders for today. So I waited patiently. Even the London section was gone, but once you notice that the market is already creating liquidity, is going to use to move above the market. You can see this liquidity over here. This trend line liquidity is creating already around here. I think this thing is one of the liquidity I'm going to be working with by the time this market changes direction. So now I wait for the liquidation of smart money traders, and now which they are now being liquidated in the extreme block, order block for the day. So what I'm looking for right now is like this market creates an upward movement like this, and then break now. So when it break and then I see a change in character around here, then we can now enter the trade and trade up. And then what I'm looking also forward to is working with the New York liquidity. Now the New York section will start in the next by 2:30. This is 119. So by 2:30 we will be flowing with the New York liquidity. If you see a change in character before the opening of the New York window, we come in and then flow with the liquidity of the New York to trade upward. If it gives us sign to trade upward, if it doesn't give us any sign to trade upward, we're not going with the trade. So thank you very much. I will send you the outro of this video by the time we are done with the New York
Right.
session.
All right. So let's get into this. So based on our analysis, we said we expect the market to create a minor break of structure, then a shift from the minor zone, giving us a confirmation that New York is what is trading upward. So now here's where we entered our trade. You can see the market moved aggressively from this point, giving us the confirmation of the break of structure, and then over here it gave us a retracement before the New York window opened. So we knew the retracement. I actually knew the retracement was going to come to this point. And then when it came to this point, that even created a flag. You can see if you know this chart pattern traders, you can see there's a flag confirmed around here. There's a flag confirmed around here. You can see the flag came to the nearest of the block, pick an entry and continue. We have about 5RR straightforward. We have a 5RR. And now this is my target is always 5RR in the market. 5RR. That's always my target. But this market is still going to continue though, because why? This thing just break out this liquidity that's over here. Now this is going to cause a breakout and retest, then continuation. So this market will continue, but me, I already have what I want to have from the market. If I see any opportunity to enter for the breakout and retest, I will do that and then push forward. That is how you trade this market. So thank you very much. See you in my next video. And come to think of it, this already takes us 27 minutes to acquire. Just 27 minutes. We already have a 5RR. You understand? We already have a 5RR just within 27 minutes. So that's a very fun thing to do. See you.